Hi everyone, Dave here. Today I want to talk to you about making your own IELTS study plan. I've been an IELTS examiner and an IELTS teacher for years, and one thing that I can tell you that is absolutely true, if you don't have a plan for where you're going, it's going to be much harder to get to your destination. You need a roadmap. You need Google Maps to find your way to where you're going. Now, before you can actually start making your plan, you need to know two things. The first thing is you need to know your current level. I wrote another post about this, about how you can figure out what your score is now. So read that, figure out where you are now. The second piece of information you need is the score that you want on IELTS. So for example, if you're a band 5 now and you want a band 5.5, okay, that's not too hard. You can study a little bit, you can make a plan, you can do it in a couple of months. It's not a problem. If you're a band 5 and you want to get a band 7, it's a huge, you're talking about at least a year to study to get that. So once you know where you are and where you're going, then you can make a plan. If you try to make a plan without that information, it's like trying to find a map on a phone with no battery. You can't find anything. You don't know what's going on. You're lost in the wrong city. You need that information first. Then, once you have that information, go buy a notebook. Doesn't matter if it's a cheap $1 notebook or an expensive notebook, whatever. Get some nice pens and highlighters to use in your notebook, and then you can get started making a plan and sticking to it. But the plan itself is not going to do the work for you. The plan is only going to support you. You have to do all the work. This is just some foundation to help you. All right, let's get started, and I'm going to show you how I would make my IELTS plan. Alright guys, now it's up to you. I've made my plan, it's all ready, I can start using it. But right now, I've only got page 1. The important thing is that you keep filling it in day after day after day. Enjoy the struggle. That's the fun part. Where you're working hard, you're getting better. Don't feel bad about yourself, enjoy that. Because most of your life is just going to be that struggle to get better. So enjoy the journey.